Yeah, we have the station and we have these electronic doors. These are pretty cool. The station is called Togoshi-koen, and the two closest stations are Shimoshimei and Nakanobu. And we have the OM3 and OM4. I don't know what that means. Togoshi-koen. Okay, that's where we are. For Jiyugaoka, Futako Tamagawa, Mizonkoshi, Oyamashi. I've never heard of any of these places. Ooh, this is gonna be hard. Togoshi-koen. For... No, I've never heard of those places. That's not gonna be good. This looks like a very big city for what I'm seeing. Oh, there are these machines, these like electronic machines. They're so colorful, like so many colors and so many different drinks. So cool. Yeah. Water, some juices. Like I've never tried any of these. I mean, we have these monsters here in Portugal, but the others are all new to me. I've never seen any of them. This one even have a French flag. Yeah, I don't know any of the others. But yeah, it looks like a very big city. So I would say probably like... Oh, there's a map there. Do we have that map on this side too? I can't see it. Probably like Tokyo or like Osaka or one of the biggest cities. Nagoya maybe? But I don't really recognize this. I think Tokyo is the best guess. I mean, it looks like a very big city, but I have no idea. So let's try it. Okay, it was Tokyo, down here in Shinagawa. Here is the station, Togoshi-koen. Here it is. I mean, I don't think I could have done better than that, so I'm pretty happy with my guess. But because I got the city, that's what matters. So let's move on to the next round. And now we have the train arriving. Or is it stopped? Maybe it's stopped. Oh, this woman is taking a picture. This train looks really cool. It's like it's black and has like a nice symbol. This doesn't look like those modern trains. This train looks really cool. A train. Don't know what that means, but the train looks really nice. We have here the SOS button, once again, in a very large city. And we have a lot of lines. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5 or 6. Yeah, 6. Okay, we have here the numbers. 11:35 is the next train. Next, yeah, that probably says next train. I have no idea where this could be. I had a southern vibe, but at the same time, I mean, this just feels like a city. Ooh, is that a mountain or is that a tree? If that is a mountain, I could see this being somewhere further south. Like Fukuoka, for example. I could see that. I might actually try that. I might go for like a Fukuoka guess. Let's try it. Kumamoto, that's not a bad guess. I got the Kyushu vibe. Guys, I'm really happy with myself. Like, I would probably just guess Tokyo in this, but I got the Kyushu vibe. I'm so happy with this. I probably could have gone Kumamoto, because it's like the biggest city of Kyushu, I think. Wait, which city is bigger? Is it Fukuoka or Kumamoto? I'm actually not sure. Maybe it's Fukuoka, but I could have got the Kumamoto, but like, I'm really happy with my guess. So now we are on a super small station, nothing compared to the ones we saw so far. We have only one line. Yeah, that's not a line, only one line, so probably the train goes and comes back. And we have here the name of the station. The station is called Tugaru. Is this only one word? Why is the space so big here? Tugaru-Iizume? Why is this like 3 letters, 2 letters, 2 letters, 2, 2, 2? And then we have Bishamon and Go Nukumae. Okay, so we are in Tugaru-Iizume? I think that's how you say it. It looks super northern in Japan. It's very flat, which is interesting. I don't see a mountain. So I imagine mountains are in that direction. If the compass is correct, because sometimes in these photospheres, which are these images taken by people, this was taken by Afu Photo Factory. Sometimes we cannot trust the compass. But assuming we can, I would say mountains are to the east. And coast would be to the west, so probably we would be somewhere in like Akita, unless we are in Hokkaido, which it's a possibility. This looks very northern and the station looks very small. And like we have these metallic blue roofs, which we often find in like Hokkaido and Tohoku. So that does confirm my northern vibe. I might actually consider more Hokkaido. The thing is that this is so flat. Where would we have such a flat region in Hokkaido? Like it's extremely flat, like here? Tsugaru something? Do I find that? Like maybe on this side? If I can find that Tsugaru, that's not gonna be easy to find. And I just don't know where to look for, to be honest. Like it's so flat. That's what it's kind of tricking me. Like how is it so flat? I might go for a guess in Hokkaido actually. Like I like this region a lot. Let's try it. But at the same time, it's not giving that much of a vibe from here. I don't know, guys. I don't know where to go. Yeah, I might go down here actually. I might go in Akita. Let's see. Okay, it was in Aomori up here. That makes so much sense because this region is so flat to the west. I could have looked for that. I forgot this region looks like this. And here it is. This was actually findable. And it was one of those small lines. I could have gotten this, to be honest. I'm kind of sad with myself. But I mean, it is what it is. At least I got the Tohoku vibe and didn't go Hokkaido. So let's move on to the next one, to round number 4, where we are on a train station that is closed. And we are on a station called Tokorozawa. It's purple, the color. And we have that's yellow, I don't know. Akitsu and Nishi Tokorozawa. So the city is probably Tokorozawa. I mean, why do they have a waiting room? Like, why do you have a waiting room? Why don't you put just like chairs here? Isn't it the same thing as being on a waiting room? Like, what's the difference? Can someone explain me that? Like, why don't they just have these chairs? Why do they have a place that is closed? I don't know. Yeah, these machines that you have everywhere. Yeah, let's go for a Tokyo guess. I think that makes a lot of sense with this round. But I don't think I can find Tokorozawa. And yeah, we have a bunch of lines, so it would make sense. Oh my god! That's insane! So many times! So many times! Like, I've seen before some, like, schedules of trains in Japan, but they have trains from 5 a.m., 5, so it's almost 4, until like almost 1 a.m. And they're like, at 6 you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 trains! That's like a train every, what, like every 7 minutes, 6 minutes? That's crazy. That's insane. I mean, I have to go Tokyo. And it is. Tokorozawa, that's so big. Sorry, guys. Bro, I'm sorry if you are watching this and you know Tokorozawa. This is so big. Oh my god, I could have looked at the map. This is actually huge. Sorry. I could have looked at that. I'm sorry, I didn't. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, now moving on, we are again on one of those closed stations. Again, I'm thinking about Tokyo. Yeah, we have a map. Yeah, that's the map of Tokyo, I think. Right? Yeah, that's this. Yeah, that's the map of Tokyo. So we are in Tokyo. And we are on a green line called Kikukawa. I can't read it properly. For Keio line? Matsowata? Kikukawa. Is that a big place now? I'm not gonna miss it again. Kikukawa. I don't see it. Can we see the colors of the lines? But I don't think they show up on the map. So I might have to go for a guess. I assume this is Tokyo because the map looks a lot like a Tokyo map. And I think it would make sense with where I'm looking. The station is not very big compared to the others. So let's guess in Tokyo. And it was in Tokyo. Here it is. Yeah, this one was pretty small. I couldn't find it. Kikurawa. Here it is. 4903. That's not bad. 21,499. That's a very good score. I mean, I had 3 Tokyo rounds. Yeah, that's true. And I got them. Except this one that I could have made a way better guess. And then, like, I had this round which was really difficult. But I could have got the region. And like, this one was basically impossible, and I got Kyushu, so I'm extremely happy for that one. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.